The key to capturing a woman's heart is not in grand gestures, but in consistent, genuine acts of kindness and understanding. A woman wants a man who listens with his heart, not just his ears. To make a woman want to be with you, be the kind of person you'd want to be with. True attraction is found in shared laughter, meaningful conversations, and mutual respect. The secret to winning a woman's affection lies in making her feel cherished and valued every day. Kindness, loyalty, and a sense of humor, the timeless recipe for making a woman fall for you. To make a woman want you, show her the depth of your character, not just the surface of your charm. Understanding her dreams and supporting her goals is the key to earning a permanent place in a woman's heart. Genuine love is built on trust, communication, and a shared vision for the future. A woman is most attracted to a man who makes her feel like she's the only one in the room. Consistency in love and thoughtfulness creates a magnetic pull that no woman can resist. True confidence is not in the pursuit of perfection, but in embracing your imperfections with grace. To make a woman want you, be the person she can't help but admire for his authenticity and sincerity. A woman is drawn to a man who not only makes her smile, but also supports her when tears fall. Charm may open the door, but it's integrity that keeps it open. The art of making a woman want to be with you is understanding that love grows in the garden of patience. Being a good listener is the silent key to unlocking a woman's heart. A woman is won over by the consistency of your actions, not just the intensity of your words. The true measure of a man's worth is how he treats the one he loves when no one is watching. Love is not about finding someone to live with. It's about finding someone you can't imagine living without. A woman wants a partner who challenges her mind and encourages her spirit. Emotional intelligence is the unsung hero in the quest to make a woman want to be with you. The way to a woman's heart is paved with gestures that showcase your understanding of her needs and desires. To make a woman want you, be the kind of man who adds value to her life, not complications. Respect her individuality, nurture her ambitions, and she will want to share her life with you. A woman wants a man who not only stands by her side during the sunny days, but also dances with her in the rain. Patience is the secret ingredient that turns infatuation into lasting love. The smallest gestures often leave the most significant imprints on a woman's heart. In the dance of love, lead with kindness, follow with understanding, and the rhythm will be harmonious. To make a woman want to be with you, be the person who brings out the best in her and cherishes the best in yourself.